Hello, I'm Elizabeth and this is your planning mentor. Today we are going to do a plan with me. Haven't done one of those in a while. And this is my Sterling Ink 2026 Common Planner. It's an A5 vertical. And we are going to be using the kit from Sterling Ink for March. And we are planning March 23rd through Sunday, March 29th. Let's put in our washi first. And this is an old washi from Sterling Ink. I'm not sure if she still has this on her site or not. And then I like to portion off this bottom part for notes. And so most of my days end around 10 o'clock. Put in our appointments next. So I have a meeting. On Monday. I have an appointment on Tuesday. And then I have dinner with friends on Thursday night. And Sunday is Palm Sunday. So I'm just going to write this in here. I'm going to use these Days of the Week stickers. These are from an old Graceful Muse papery kit. I'm going to write in my workouts, and my particular exercise I do is called T-Tap. And it helps build strength and stretches my muscles on Friday. And on Sunday. Now let's work on my sidebar. This is the mild liner. This is one of the new colors, I think. I'm gonna put a little thing, oops, there, and I have this sticker that says goals. And I'm going to pull some goals and write them in there. And where I get those are from the goal section in the front here. And I know that I want to work on the cold room. And that's a room, it's an enclosed front porch that is cold. And so there's a lot of paperwork out there, and just it kind of gets cluttered with stuff. So I've been working on that this month. And then I know that I need to, I'll be filming and I'll be working on the blog. Then I also want to look at this. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to work on this KDP or not. I need to get caught up on blogging first. And so I think that's all that's going to go for my goals. Those are over and above my regular routines. we're going to work down here where I put my self-care. So Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. And the Monday is the 23rd, the 24th. So I want to have quiet time. I want to work on my emotional self-care. I want to read. I want to get outside. I want to walk sometime this week. Then exercise, that would be this T-tap or any other type of non-walking exercises. I want to do my vibration plate, my learning, and work on my goals. I get these from my book, Planning for Self-Care, and there are lists in here, things I want to do daily for self-care. And I want to put a breath prayer right here. And I get my breath prayers from this book by Jennifer Tucker. Breath is prayer. Calm your anxiety, focus your mind, and renew your soul. And I write that here so that I have it with me. And I will also write it in my Hobonichi weeks down here so that I have this. This is my carry along. So this week I picked, You Are Always With Me, I Will Not Be Shaken. And that is from Psalm 16, 8 and 9. Inhale, you are always with me. Exhale, I will not be shaken. Now let's add some beautiful stickers. Got some sweet pea and some ranunculus and some clematis. Love that. Now I want to put this right in the middle of the page, so I'm going to wrap it around my card here. Put it right. And then I'll slip that. So it's right there. And I hope that these will, once I close this book for a while, I hope those will stay down. Hellebores. And I did forget to put family dinner. Now I want to put in my routines. I have my morning routine. And I don't usually, I still do my morning routine, but I don't put them in on the weekends. I'm a little bit more laid back on the weekends, like hopefully all of us are. And if I have something in the afternoon during this time, then I will push this into my dinner routine. And so these are things like sorting mail, doing a load of laundry, and then I have my evening routine. I can tell I'm a little out of practice doing this on camera. So I'm going to write these in here. Morning. Some of these down here occur during these routines. So like my morning routine, I'll do quiet time, my emotional self-care, sometimes reading, sometimes getting outside. Afternoon routine would be the walking, the exercising. The evening routines, the vibration plate, the learning, and the goals are just kind of all through it. All right, we have pretty decorations. We have our appointments, we have our routines, we have our goals, we have our self-care, we have our breath prayer, which is spiritual self-care. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate any time you choose to spend on my channel. Don't forget to put yourself on your list. Put yourself in your planner. Make yourself a priority. I hope you nurture your mind, your body, and your spirit this week. You are worth it. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.